time anyway. I miss socks. Similar time. There you go.
That's it. Done.
So people that complain about not having a permanent bed, and there are some downsides to this, but you can make it pretty quick once you get good at it.
Yeah. Luna went in the water bottle for a little bit.
It's too cold for them.
Yeah, she came back out.
Oh, it's such a nice place. Wow, it'd be so cool to live somewhere like that. We're not going to drive too far today, I think just an hour. And then I'll get the bike out. I'll use the last of my rear tire. There's meant to be a good road up south of Applebow. I think it's Applebow we're going to. And there's a bit to park there, so I don't think there's any lakes though, so it's nice to see some cool Swedish lakes here. What's that? Is that an electric car? It sounds so weird. Oh, it's a truck.
It's a truck. It's so weird.
Yeah. It's because their tires, they've got... Maybe it's the winter tires sound funny, because I noticed the bus yesterday sounded really... Oh. Maybe because they've got all these eco things here for trucks where they have to have emissions, because you can't hear the engines.
Yeah.
Wow.
Have you got a tree, Alfie? Puppies. Oh,
Especially
why
in
is
the
there
morning.
rubbish everywhere?
I know, it's the only shitty thing, because you're near a road.
Because you're near a road,
And you're
yeah.
still not in northern Sweden. Wait to Applebow we go. Wait to Applebow we go. Now to enjoy more great nature. So before we go, we usually like to start the engine, run it for a bit to warm it up and clear all the steam. It's good not to rev it too much until it's been running a while anyway. So quick stop for the bin, because there might not be many. And we're going that way. Ready? Good puppies! We have everything we need. We have a fire. We're definitely gonna... You know the two synthetic logs that are stinking out the van? We can make a little bit... Hey, they might have firewood in the place again. Maybe. There's good charcoal here. It's a bit damp, but... Check out the van. It looks a bit messy right now, but... I'll close the door. We have the whole place to ourselves completely. Fire pit.
This sign, it's such a shame.
What does it say? Don't drive into the water.
Very deep.
Very deep. I bet in the summer this would be busy. That's why you don't come here in the summer. You come in the winter and then no one's here. There's absolutely no one. It's just perfect. Bonnie. he does his silly face like
Yeah.
like that.
Go, Bonnie.
Oh my god. They're tearing up the ground. Probably a piece of wood. Luna? Luna?
At least she always spits everything out. Luna. Okay, she spotted out. That's good.
It's a snail. She just ate the snail.
Oh my god! Was it alive?
Yeah, she ate it.
I can't believe it.
Well, that's
oh my
very yummy.
God, poor thing.
Maybe she's French. March. What's the other one? Pine? A baby pine? It's not very dry, but it'll work.
Yeah.
Also, they were already cut. This was already
Yeah.
trees that we found
Yeah.
in there. Made a little bit of a teepee. Looks nice.
Yeah.
We can sit out here tonight. It's nice. We can even have our little awning light on, look, to help us see if we want to. That's why maybe I could pull it forward a bit so it's in level.
We'll see.
If you're cutting wood, use oil, like cooking oil, or WD-40 on your saw blade. I've already done it. I keep them oiled. Same with an axe. And that's why it's cutting through so smoothly, because the oil on it, you can feel it's quite oily. It makes the wood not get stuck. That's quite a big piece too. Cuts really quick. Luna, get the stick. Get it. Get the stick. Luna.
Loving this.
No, she wants the stick you have.
They both.
They love chomping sticks. Alfie. Oh, Luna's gone off with a tree. Alfie's face was so expressive just then. Little teepee. Put that one over there. And just so smaller cuts on the inside, bigger ones on the outside, so you've still got good air gaps, and that way you heat the wood, the big logs. So you burn the small logs and you heat the big logs, and then the logs get bigger. As long as you're getting air into the center. I've moved the van a bit closer here. So you've got nice benches, good view, fire pit, and the van. Oh my god, he took it. There you go, it'll keep us warm. The fire pit, we can put our awning light on. And it's right here. Wow. The wood massacre is over. It was all dead wood anyway. Dead trees.
Exactly, we didn't cut
and we have
anything
that
down.
for the second load of burn, because it's wetter, and this is the drier stuff. So there's quite a dense fire in there, and that we can chuck in. And if we need one more tree, we can get one, but we're not going to start it till it's kind of dark, so we can sit out in the stars.
I like having stuff to do, you know.
Well, that's what keeps you warm.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
This is what I like. Like, I like to cut wood and.
And it's nice because unlike the wood stove is great. I love the wood stove, but the wood stove you have to buy wood and season it, otherwise you can ruin your flue and it gets all sooty. Whereas with an outdoor fire, it doesn't matter if it's smoky, wet wood. By the time you get it to a blue flame, you can chuck a mossy, damp, moldy log on and it will just burn.
Yeah.
So, yeah. It's not bad. Look at the purple in the sky too. I might take a couple pictures. Because we have something behind us,
yeah,
the heat should stay kind of in this area. And it's not too close, it won't catch fire. It's good enough of a distance. It shouldn't catch fire anyway. It won't catch fire. The flames can get like quite high though with this kind of bonfire. It's dark now. And the dinner's almost ready. Put the light on. So you can see. There's the fire pit all ready to go on in a minute. Puppies are there. So a change of plans, the candle this thing didn't work.
Yeah.
So at least we got that. It works.
Puppies, sit.
Wait, come forward a bit so I can see your face. No, forward more. That was a really funny shot. Alright, we're gonna have dinner then we'll light the fire. our synthetic.
Yeah, the fire is going pretty well now.
But because of the fact that we had those, always have at least a couple logs. Because if you have nothing and you've got wet wood, it's going to be really difficult unless you sacrifice a sock. It's going to be. And also bring marshmallows. We don't have marshmallows.
I know.
If you do want to bring marshmallows to us now, we're in Appleboro. But by the time you get here, we probably won't be.
We'll probably
be a month in the future. So
yeah.
I doubt we'll be here.
Oh yeah, that's amazing.
And it's warm. It's warm.
Yeah.
It's good. It is a lot easier with a fire pit though. It does help.
Yeah.
You can we left this on the outside, so you can kind of feed it in like that. Yeah. Wow. So nice. You can see little fairy lights in the van as well. Look.
Yeah.
The fire's really going now. We should really have marshmallows.
I know, it's such a shame that we don't.
Wow. The light is better than earlier. And although you probably can't see it, there's loads of stars in the sky, but you won't be able to see it. I can't see where the moon is. But we've got a good fire going. These ones on the side were a bit wet, so we're just drying them out around the edge of the fire. And we're trying to get the side to light a bit better. It's starting to light up good. It's nice. Nice, Alfie.
Can I put this whole one like that?
Just nice. Oh, come on, Alfie. Come on. Oh, here we go.
What I
Oh,
did.
he's looking. What did you do?
Look, I put a whole one on top and it's...
Wow. Oh, wow, that looks so cool.
Look, I'm gonna do this one too.
That's because it's really hot now. Oh, look, Alfie wants cuddles.
She's so sweet. She's probably a little worried.
This is how you're meant to live in a van. By living out the van. You live in the van, but you also live outside the van. And everywhere in between.